Hello everyone, today I will show you how to search rare Pokemon card in TCG app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have an app called Pocket TCG app downloaded. So you can find this app on the App Store. You just have to search for Pocket TCG. So basically what the app does is that it scans the card and then it will be able to help you find the rare card that you need. So once you have the app downloaded, what you want to do is you want to click on the app, and then you want to go to the menu icon at the top, at the bottom right, and then scroll down until you find a feature called card search. Click on card search, and so let's say you want to search for like a card that you are looking for. Let's say Pikachu, right? And then you have to type like the correct name in order to find the correct card. But once you find the card, you will be able to check the price and for the card, and then any other details. But this is how you can find like the rare card in Pokemon TCG. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and